In this photograph I have a piece of street art on a wall. The art should really fill the image, but what I've got here is a lot of extra detail around the image. I've got a road and I've got the sky. I want to make the art the focal point of the image, and I want to do this in a quick, easy step. Also, the other problem about this image is that the wall is leaning back slightly, which is a camera issue. So what I'm going to do is use a tool in the toolbox that will rectify everything for me quickly. It lives underneath the crop tool here. If I right click on the crop tool, I can bring up the menu for the tools underneath, and the tool I'm looking for is a perspective crop. Quite easy to use. If I bring the perspective crop onto the image and I come to the horizontal point and the vertical point of the wall, I click once on the screen and let go of the mouse button. I can then move my mouse point across to the right hand side of the wall, and you can see a blue line appearing there. If I click once on the right hand side, click once and let go, and you can see a grid start to form as I move downwards. I'm following the vertical line of that lamppost here till I reach the floor. I click once and let go, and I'm going to follow the floor line of the pavement till I reach the left hand side of the wall. I can click once and let go. You can see a grid has formed. Now after the grid has formed, I don't have to then commit to this operation. I can move these handles if I wish to, if they're incorrect, and this one looks slightly incorrect here. So what I'm going to do, left click and hold, and I can drag that down and make sure I can get the correct alignment here. And once I'm happy with that, when I've got the 4 points, I can come up into the options bar here and press the check to commit to the operation. When I do, you can see the image gets cropped and it brings it back into perspective. The wall has come back again. It may need a little more work, just cropping top and bottom, left and right, but as far as that goes, that is the finished image before cropping.